and we're hanging out at Fresh from Earth in Atlanta, Georgia. We had a question about repairing facial staph marks. Staph infection is caused by bacteria, and it'll start by a lot of times a little red bump that will grow. It's pus filled, and it's full of bacteria, and it's very painful. A lot of times to have your staph infections removed, you have to have your skin lanced or oftentimes lasered off, which can leave a mark or a scar on the face. So to take care of that sort of scarring, you want to use coconut oil, which has antibacterial properties. It's great for the skin and it will soften the skin, allowing it to heal faster. You can also use organic red palm oil for that same purpose. In order to even your complexion, you can use a bit of coconut oil and one of my favorite blends, Sahar Organia, which combines coconut oil and it's high in vitamin E. So that will help heal the skin, repair it, and even the complexion. I'm Nadia Abdul, and this is how you repair facial staph marks.